From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the crude oil, WTI, and nat gas markets. As you can see, crude oil has collapsed from the 73 level pretty impressively, closing at the bottom of the candlestick, more likely than not going lower. Whether or not we're going to break down, completely different question. But I think the 200-day EMA makes quite a bit of sense. If we turn around and take out 73, we're going towards 75. Now, natural gas is something that I have not covered for a while here at Daily Forex. And quite frankly, not enough people were interested in it. But suddenly, people were when this happened, when we really started to take off, which is in and of itself is not a huge surprise. But what's happened since then is we've collapsed, and people just don't understand why. A lot of you are not in the United States, and that's the problem. The natural gas contract that you are trading is the Henry Hub contract, which, if memory serves me right, is Henry, Louisiana, meaning it is nat gas for delivery in Louisiana. Natural gas is not easy to transport overseas. LNG ships can only do so much, and it's somewhere around 12 billion cubic feet that the United States exports. Because of this, the prices that you're seeing, like in Rotterdam, they're like 9 times higher, don't mesh with what you're seeing here. And a lot of you have lost a lot of money. Don't feel bad. I had a conversation with a commodity trader who is a head trader at a pretty large fund in a European country who had no idea about this either. And he's been doing this 20 years. This is not an international contract. This is a U.S. contract. With milder temperatures in the United States coming this winter, this is not going to rally much. Could fill this gap here. I'll be looking for signs of exhaustion and selling again. Based upon the measured move of the triangle, we're looking at a move to $3, which is about the average price over the last several years. So this all jives together quite well. I mean, this was an absolute textbook move. My biggest problem here is that I wasn't short enough. I didn't bet the farm. I really wish I would have, but, hindsight's 2020. So this video is more or less a public service in the sense that I know a lot of you have been frustrated, and I've had conversations with people whose accounts are being blown up because of this. So remember, this is a U.S. contract. You need to understand what's going on, weather patterns in the United States, supply and demand, and all of that. Fading the rallies, especially right here around the 200-day EMA, is my plan.